Hey, welcome awesome people to DIY Solar Homestead. I got 4 more yards. You still see I got a little bit left here. So I got 2 yards of garden mix and 2 yards of screen compost. The lady asked, "You want to mix them?" I told her yeah. But as it turns out, the guy kind of mixed it, and when he dumped it, I could generally see the screen compost was on the outer edges, not so much down the center of the pile. So you can see I'm working out the center. So I want that down on the bottom. We got some more of this. I'm gonna get all that cleaned up. Got that down on the bottom. I got construction paper over the lawn, and then the compost / straw. There's also wood chips in there. They went down over the construction paper, and then the heavy soil, and then the top soil. So I'm getting ready to get these in. They're wilting, so I don't know how many times they're watered at the greenhouse, but those are probably the same size of the plants that I got all off the same greenhouse long ago. But being in the greenhouse, these have posthumously grown to great heights. So I'm gonna get them out here as fast as possible. I'm probably gonna go ahead and water them before I start planting. So that's pretty cool. I think what I'm going to do on this outer edge is dig deep holes and put the trellis in, just like that one. And I got more clips, and we got like 300 more clips coming in. So if I have 60 of these little clips to hold the plants up, so I'll be able to clip them right to the fence and get them up there, get them high. They're not going to like the wind, but got a little cool last night. I think that's part of the reason they have wilted. That they need water. So if you live local, get on down to Brookside greenhouses and get your plants. Today's their last day. Just thought I'd throw that out there. Get this video up. We got 2 loads of laundry going. A little bit more sustainable all the time. So, except for the water bill. Filling the pool and watering the plants. So I'm gonna cover the road a little bit. I might go get some fruit trees soon. I want to get some rain barrels in here, but I don't want to get in trouble for it. I don't know if you can have rain barrels or not. But that'll help take care of the water situation for watering all these plants. So I'm sure it's going to be a little bit more food that I can use. But the neighbor brags all the time about making his own salsa. So guess what? He can make my salsa too. He's going to get some free food out of this anyway. So that'll be cool. Work together on some of this stuff, but I'm probably going to end up juicing as well. I used to juice. I have a nice juicer in the house. I haven't used it in a few years, but I'm going to go ahead and water these, get a couple more loads of screen compost on the top. I'm going to get my grow on, and I'm going to cut it right here. And you have an awesome solar garden day. Yeah, get yourself sustainability going.